In this lesson, I'm going to try to teach you how to schedule an assessment using SEQTA. This is probably more relevant to Year 12s for the short term, but it's relevant to everybody as we go out throughout the year. So the first thing that I will do in order to put an assessment and to schedule it is to go to my timetable on SEQTA. I'll press on the physics label of one of my classes. Any of the classes will do. And you'll see that this is my assessment and my physics class. I'll go over to planning, and in planning you'll actually see that all the lessons, lesson by lesson, have already been, some of them have been scheduled. So the assessment that I've got, and I'll flick through the screens now, from a previous year's document is this one over here, which is the third SAC of Unit 3, Outcome 1, which is scheduled last year to be on the 23rd to the 27th of April. So I'll look for a lesson which is around about April. So I'll have a quick look in there, and I'll look at that the Thursday 24th of April. So I'll expand that lesson by clicking onto this. I'll put the title of that lesson, SAC, Outcome 1, and it will be a test on electric power. Okay, so I've got the test. I'll edit the lesson to say students to undertake a SAC. I'm doing this quickly, but I'll put more detail as we go along. And over here, if I want to place the assessment, I'll go over to this assessment button and I'll add an assessment. At this stage, the assessment panel comes along, the weight of 10, the marking type, and what I'll do is I'll just title it Electric Power Test. And I'll make sure that I'll allow the students to reflect it. I'll make sure that the marks are released on SEQTA, and I'll also make that visible to SEQTA Learn and Engage, and I'll save this. So I can put more details on the assessment, and I can certainly put a lot more detail, but I guess for the time being, we're just going to leave it at that, and I'll save that. And you'll notice that it's already updated, and the assessments will be there. If you want to check on all of your assessment, just as a side thing, you can go to the overview of assessment, and you'll notice that the electric power test is now come up over here. I hope this helped. If you need any help, please see me, Kim, or Louise, and we'll be happy to help you with this.